Are you confused about the best tool to use for your project? I'm Carolina, and I'm going to show you which cutting tool is right and how to use it for your project. A rotary cutter is an awesome tool to use when cutting straight strips. You take your piece of fabric and your ruler, and you line up the edge of your ruler with the edge of your fabric. You don't need to use the mat as a guide. You want to use the ruler as a guide. Open up your rotary blade, cut your strip, close your blade before you put it down, and you have perfect strips every single time. Another great rotary tool is this cute little 14mm rotary blade. This has great spots to hold your thumb and forefinger, making it super maneuverable for cutting really detailed around a design for applique, or if you want fun curved shapes and designs. Super maneuverable. It has a cover to keep it protected, and the end is a multi-use tool. This can be used as a point turner to turn out points. It can also be used like a Hera marker. A Hera marker is a great way to mark fabric for quilting. You run across your fabric and you get a really light crease that you can see for quilting but won't show up later, and it's not anything that you need to wash out. Scissors are another great tool for cutting fabric. You're probably familiar with scissors like this if you grew up in a house that has quilters or sewists. These are the good scissors that you do not want to use on anything but fabric. Duckbill scissors like these are the perfect tool to use in applique. You cut up right up to your applique shape, and this blade protects your applique while allowing you to get right up close to it and not cutting your threads. Once you've cut around your shape, you're ready to go to your embroidery machine and keep stitching on your design. If you're using the more modern heavy-duty materials like cork or burlap, or even some fancy materials like these, you'll want some heavy-duty scissors. These cut through even heavy-duty materials like butter. When quilting or sewing, sometimes you have tiny little threads that you want cut right up close to your fabric. These cut your threads close to your fabric, keeping it protected and getting your threads cut. It's that simple. Aren't you glad that you know your tools better now? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel.